biotech company, so we focus on producing consumer-oriented point-of-care diagnostics. Our goal is to allow individuals to have access to information about their health when and where they need it most.
And what type of need is there for a service like this?
So I guess I should start with our first product. So our first product is Canary. So what Canary does is it allows individuals to test their food for the presence of food allergens. So essentially, it provides peace of mind to food allergy sufferers by allowing them to detect the presence of allergens in everyday food products that they might come into contact with, either inside or outside the home.
And how does that actually work? You know, imagine, let's say that I have a peanut butter allergy. What does Canary look like and how do I use it?
So Canary is a small cassette. So basically, you open up the cassette, you take a food sample, you put it in the device, you close it, and in about 2 to 3 minutes, you'll get a colored readout. So basically a red color or a blue color showing you the presence or absence of a food allergen.
And how big of a market do you think there is for a product like this?
So it's quite a large market. Right now in Canada, estimated 1 in 13 individuals suffer from a severe food allergy. That increases dramatically when you take into account the individuals who suffer from food intolerances as well.
You know, I imagine especially for younger kids who are managing allergies, is this something that would be easy for them to use?
Yes, definitely. So we aim to make it as consumer-friendly, user-friendly as possible. So we've designed it so it's a small size. Toddlers are able to use it in their hands. Actually, as part of our first models, we're coming out with peanut allergens. So our first 2 models, we're looking at gluten and peanut. So peanut allergies is the #1 food allergies among children.
How do you plan to get the word out about Canary?
So we're looking at going directly to consumers through online sales. So we're hopefully looking at a subscription model. So every month you pay a subscription fee and you get a couple Canaries sent to you every month, and you'll be able to reorder through our website.
And what about liability issues? Because I can imagine that when you're doing something like this and you're testing for allergens, that you have to be careful.
Yes.
Is that part of the whole process when you're building this company?
Yeah, so right now we're looking at the regulatory affairs aspect of the product and whether or not it classifies as a medical device. So Canary doesn't actually test the user for allergies, it tests the food products. So as with all diagnostics, we can't guarantee whether or not a food product has or doesn't have food allergens, but we're hoping that it's a step before an individual has to use an EpiPen after coming into contact or consuming an allergen.
What excites you about building a company like this that offers products that could save people's lives?
So I'm excited in providing individuals powerful tools that are currently stuck in clinical and laboratory-based settings and giving them the tools to make informed health decisions on their own.